Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. The reason why I have not Windows 10 is simply because they have been too buggy. They have been too buggy. I've been having problems with, I think, the initial time, the first initial. Uh, I'm not gonna say attempt because I never really attempted. I'm just gonna be frank with you. I never really attempted to do any type of video on the build 1074 because it's been buggy right from the start. Like from the start, I think the past two preview builds have not been working on my laptop at all. Like sometimes the start menu would just not work. The notification tray would not work. The taskbar, the entire taskbar would just fail. I'd have to restart it, and then even after I restart it, it'll still not work. The only way I could shut it down is by pressing and holding on Alt Control and delete. Even after that point, it's still not shut down. So the only alternative that I had is to force it to shut down by pressing and holding on the power button. So there have been times where I would actually have to just boot into Windows 8 and use Windows 8 until I felt like retrying uh, Windows 10 again, because it'll be that bug. I mean, even though I could open up what was already in the taskbar. See, that's the thing. The only apps that I would be able to use are the ones that was already in the taskbar, like that, like these apps right here: Project Spartan, Windows Media Center, Media Player, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Spotify, and the store. I mean, these were the apps that I would be able to use. That's if the actual taskbar was working that day. But if not, I would literally have to shut it down because I have no access to all my other apps because all that's in the start menu, and the start menu sometimes would not work. Right now, it's not working. If I go and prove it to you right now, it'll probably embarrass me though and work. But if I press on it, it's not coming up. I'm gonna shut my mouth so you can actually hear the click, letting you know that I'm actually trying to initiate the start menu. So let me shut up so you can hear the mouse click. No start menu. None. No start menu. Now if I go over here to the notification tray, okay, you heard that click and it's not coming up. So it's like it doesn't work. So the only apps that I have access to are the ones that's pre-pinned on the taskbar. I mean, and I have a pretty bad feeling that this update, I hope it forces the computer to shut down or restart, because otherwise I probably have to force it to shut down. That's probably going to corrupt the update. But speaking of update, the reason why I'm doing this recording is because I am here because there's an apparent update that has been pushed to my computer. It's called FBL underscore impressive professional 1130. So this is obviously another Windows technical preview build. So we're in the installation process. So once that is done, I'm going to come back. Hopefully I'm going to try and wait until way down the line, to like when it's done. So if I can't wait that long, I'll come back. Or if I have an opinion, or if I have something to add, I'll come back. But yeah, we'll see what this preview build has to offer. There has not been any actual coverage on this preview build, so who knows what we'll see. There have not been any leaks or rumors, not that I know of, not to my knowledge. There have not been any type of leaks or rumors as to what the next preview build would have, let alone if there were ever going to be a next preview. I thought that 1074 is going to be the last preview build before Windows 10. Which, by the way, if you haven't heard already, Windows 10's official launch will be July 29th. It will be free for current Windows 7 8.1 users. So if you have Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, you will get the update for free. It's only for a limited time. You only get that update for free. So you have to upgrade within that first year. If not, you'll have to pay for it. But I think they say that it'll still be free after the 1 year period. So while they're saying that you can get it for free only for the first year, making it seem like that's the only time you can really get it for free. I don't know, but I think for users who have Windows 8.1 and Windows 7 will be able to get the free upgrade promotion. Uh, and I think Windows 10 might just be free all around. So even after that first year, uh, you'll still be able to get it for free. I think they even said even pirate for people who want to get the pirated copy of Windows 10 would probably get it for free too, or something like that, or they have to pay or something. I don't know, but I've been hearing a lot of the word free flying around with Windows 10 for the past several months. So hopefully this build is not going to be as I would hope to be as limited on bugs as possible. And I think the reason why that is because the past two preview builds I've actually went the fast route. I chose the fast option opposed to the slow version. So maybe this build will probably be a lot more better. Because I know in one of my preview build videos, I think I might have mentioned the fact that I don't do the whole fast thing, because I'm trying to keep my computer from crapping out on me within the next couple of months or the next year or whatever. It's already been a year since we've had this computer. It's been going pretty well. The battery's been going pretty well. Performance, it's all right. I gotta get some software for it. I did actually purchase software for it, but I lost the product key. I don't know why. I don't know how that happened. I just don't. I don't know. I really don't know how I lost that product key. So I don't have any software right now that can help me clean out junk and scan for viruses. Everybody knows that Avast did update their software to support Windows 10. So now we do have Avast running here. We do have Avast running here, the 2015 version. So now that they've got Avast to support Windows 10, now we can have some type of security on here, which is quite nice. But it would be nice to have some software, and I really don't want to use the built-in Windows options. They're good, but they're not in depth. Most people say they are, and it could be, but you need something that's going to get deep down into your computer software and kind of really clean that junk out. And that's what WinZip does. So enough with me talking. I've already wasted 8 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause from right here and see what happens after this right here. Remember, Windows 10 officially launches July 29th for free for Windows 8.1 users and for Windows 7 users. Of course, Windows 10 will also be free for people who buy a machine that has pre-installed Windows 10 on it. So as of now, I don't think you can buy a computer that has Windows 10. So I'm pretty sure you're going to see a wave of machines coming out after July 29th. I'm pretty sure almost immediately after, you're going to see machines that's going to be pre-installing Windows 10 on it. So I know buying a computer with Windows 10 pre-installed is not exactly free, but you don't have to pay. That's how you're paying for the software. You're paying it through the purchase of your machine. So technically, the machine itself is what you're paying for, but you're getting the software along with that purchase. So it's like buy the computer, get Windows 10 for free kind of thing. That's how it's always been. You're paying for the machine, which comes with the operating system. So we'll see. July 29th, Windows 10. There's a whole bunch of things to love about Windows 10. So now, does buggy build have any Does it cloud my judgment on Windows 10? Absolutely not, because all the preview builds that have come out so far that I've downloaded have been working pretty much flawlessly. I didn't have this problem up until about several weeks ago. This is when my cousin and my auntie was up here. That's when the 1045, I think that was the preview build. I can't remember. I don't think I recorded that build, but it was several weeks ago. I do know that it was like right before. It was the week before Mother's Day. I think the week before Mother's Day or the week before Easter. Something. I think it was the week before Mother's Day. I think there was a preview build that came out the week before that, or the week of Mother's Day. Yeah. And a build came out, I think that Wednesday, and or Tuesday, but Tuesday or Wednesday, because my cousin and left on a Wednesday, so it had to be Tuesday. And that build was very buggy. I'm telling you, it took a long time for the system to update to the build. Then on top of that, once I got into it, right from the start, it was just buggy. And ever since then, every preview build that I've downloaded since then has been very, very buggy. There's even a build that I never knew about, 1020 something, 23 or something like that, that I never knew about. Never downloaded it. It just, the computer skipped to the 1043 or 45, something like that, and then not too long after that, that's when the 1049 or 79 or something like that came out. 49, 59, 69, something like that. And then the last one of 2014, I think, was the 1074. No, 1000. I don't forgot. So many preview builds out there, I forgot. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be back. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. We are at the part now where we're getting ready to be in this new preview build. You see here, it's a little different. This won't take long, so let's see if we can wait this out and see if it will take that long. So actually, while I was trying to wait for the setting up of the update, I had the tablet in pause mode. But during the process, my battery was going down and down and down and down. So I figured I'd plug it up to my laptop. Since it is on, you draw power from the laptop. But when I came back in, like at 33% from like 40 something percent, like 47% or something like that. So I had to plug it into the wall charger. So now that's how I'm recording this video. So just a reminder, this preview build is called 1103, I think. Let's see what we get here. I don't know when I am going to suck it up and get a tripod, but I will make that plan to get one before the end of the year. I'm not saying that it's going to be October, November, December, or September or anything. I'm just saying before the year is out, I will have a tripod. I probably should have one already, but just been procrastinating on getting one. But I do really need to get one to keep keep from my shaky hands. So as you can see here, unfortunately, it's taking longer than usual. So I will be back when, fortunately, it will be done. So I'll be right back. And we'll come back and we'll see what difference is in this preview build. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. So the preview build is 1,130. So yes, I was right. So let's see what the difference are, if there are any. Alright, so it took up pretty much all my battery, or a majority of it actually. Alright, so it doesn't appear. Oh, okay. So as you can see here, this is what you get here. You get everything down here at the bottom now. You get File Explorer, you get PC settings, you get power, and then there's a new tab there. So you click on it, and we want to scroll to find this app that is new. Hopefully it had the word new right beside it. Alright, I don't see any apps here that's got new beside it. So what exactly new is, I don't know. You see an app here called 3D Builder, so I don't know exactly what that is. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if there's any difference to the notification tray. So it's slightly different, not much different there. Not much difference is there either. So we're going to go ahead and go to settings. See, no real differences here either. PC's File Explorer. Let's see if there's any differences there. And don't look like no differences there either. So I'm trying to, I don't know if they're going to ever, there's supposed to be Microsoft Edge. I don't know if they're going to introduce that in any preview builds or not, but so I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and look at the actual screen here and see if I can find it. But it don't look like it's in this preview build it either. It sucks. Let's expand that. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just hang up this review for right now, or hang up this overview for right now. Just want to kind of just show y'all the preview build itself, what you get, but what I want to do is I want to kind of just survey this preview and see if there's any real notable differences that I can tell you about, and then I want to come back with kind of like a hands-on review. So I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you all next time.